Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from I Did You Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we only using just one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts. That's just the normal thing you do when you figure out you get sales doing it. But we only using one account because you guys are just beginners. You want to try this out first, see if it works for you. And I just want to show you the type of results you'll get just from doing that. You know what I mean? So if you're interested in following along, links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in particular. It's because this affiliate system is 80% recurring commission. That means very easy to build your income on it since you get paid every single month a large amount. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. First, we're gonna look at our results here. We're gonna refresh the page. All right, looks like, ooh, yeah, we got sales yesterday. Yeah, looks like we got 3 sales yesterday.
Nice.
Maybe one's a rebuild. I don't know. But it looks like we got 3 sales yesterday. Maybe 2 or 3 sales, something like that. Clearly. So it's still working, guys. Just keep on keeping on. You know what I mean? It's working for me pretty well, man. And so, all right, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get these affiliate links here. All right. That's the first thing we're gonna do, get you the affiliate links. So first off, if you're on my video, right, you should come down to the description, open it up. You're gonna see step 1, step 2. You click on step 1 here, it's gonna take you to this page here. Basically talking about $25 business, everything good with it, how much money you can wait, all that stuff, right? So anyway, you click yes, I want in, and you just hit in your information. You also click on I recommend this as well and sign in. Now the reason why I recommend this as well is because it's $125 a month. You get paid 80% commissions no matter what in every single product in this system. All right, guys. So you're gonna get 80% of that. The only thing is you gotta have the product to receive the commission, and that's how all funnel builders usually work. It's a funnel builder, by the way. That's how all funnel builders work. You gotta have the product to make commissions off of it. So yeah, that's the reason why you want this, to really elevate how much money you can make. All right, guys, really take it to the next level. Instead of $20, you'll get $100 commissions as well. So anyway, guys, once you sign in, do all that stuff, right, we're gonna go to the affiliate zone here. Now you sign in, all that, make your account, all this, and eventually you'll get your page to look something like this. It won't take you long. I'm pretty sure you just make your account and then you sign in, then you get to this page. That's all you gotta do. But we're gonna click, once you get to that page up here, you want to click on the affiliate zone. I kind of skipped up a little bit. I should. I'm sorry about that. But anyway, once you're on the affiliate zone, oh, by the way, it's videos explaining all of this, by the way. But anyway, once you're on the affiliate zone, like I've been trying to say for a minute, you're gonna click on sign up for the affiliate program here. Then you're gonna take it to this page. As you can see, it's very simple information. You put that in real quick, and then you log into SoundCard, and that's gonna take you to this page here. All right, once you're on this page here, you just scroll down all your links, right? I like to use this link here in particular. I've tried other links as well. I got in the sale with this link. I got in the sale with this link. See, if you could see this, right, I have no clicks for this link, but I got a sale for it. You want to know why? Because the system promotes its other products as well when somebody's in the system. All right, so you can always end up getting commissions from other ways as well. So make sure you understand that. So that's all there is to that. This is the only link that I personally promote. All these other links are from, you see I got a ton of clicks on other links here. That's from the system promoting the product to other people in the system. Anyway, what we're gonna do now is we need a way to promote this link. All right, so the first thing you want to do is get back to my video here. Gonna have step 2 here, which is join my lead gen secrets. All right, guys. So that's what you want to do. You want to join my lead gen secrets. This is my lead gen secrets, and basically what my lead gen secrets is, you get 100 leads every single day that you can email once per day. So for example, you'll sign in, you'll get 100 leads that you can send an email to, right? Tomorrow you'll have 200 leads that you can send an email to, so on and so forth, like that. All right, guys. So, and all of these links, all of these leads are interested in making money online, which makes this perfect for our product, guys. So all you need to do is, make your account, log in. It's a very simple process. You've done it before. And we're gonna start with that. So you're gonna see my leads here. You can check out your leads. You can buy some email swipes if you want to. I will show you some swipes that you can use that's been working for me. I will show you the swipe I'm gonna use today, so you can just copy that. I'm gonna give you a chance to copy it, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't want to get those master email swipes. But anyway, we're gonna click select all the leads here. Boom. And we're gonna make money my first week. That's the email I sent before. All right, so we're gonna use this email here, building my money up. So all right, pause and copy that title if you want to copy it. That's pretty cool. All right, so it's the email here. Just pause and copy it. All right, pause and copy it. Pause and copy it. That's the whole email there. That's the whole email. Only thing down here is my signature. So once you do that, make sure your link works, guys. You put your link in right there. As you can see, very simple. Just click on this right here. It's very simple. You done this, you know how to do it. Anyway, guys, you send an email. Make sure to click on perfect timing. What it does, send an email around time people check emails. Make sure to preview if you're, and make sure your link work, guys. You don't want to send an email and your link doesn't work. That's tragic. All right, and we're gonna send the email and we are done. That's all it takes. You do this every day, make some money. That's all I'm saying. All right, guys. So like I stated before, if you're interested in following along, links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.